Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Zari McQueen, and today's video is going to be all about my faux lock wig, courtesy of Elise Real Hair. Basically, they're a company that hand makes all of their units. They have, braided units, box braids, faux locks, they have micro braids, they have all type of wigs, and they also have frontals, closures, bundles, and regular, bundle wigs. So basically, I just want to say I'm really happy to be working with this company because they're located in Nigeria, and it's just really cool to work with people that put so much into their brand. She literally hand makes all of them. No, not with a machine. No, she sits there and hand makes it. So that just makes it way more special, and you know that you're getting quality, and you know that somebody really put a lot of time into the unit. So basically, I have a faux lock dread wig. It's waist length. I'm not sure, I don't know if it puts the exact length on the website, but I know that you can choose different options like, shoulder length, waist length. They have different lengths like that on the website, and I like that on the website there's so much different options. You can get so many different looks. And with the waist length option, it's about, as you can see, I'm dancing here, swinging it around. It is obviously to my waist, and I'm 4'11", as you guys know. And yeah, so basically I'm showing you the wig and the construction. It's basically a frontal, and the back is, the wefts, I guess, or the locks, you can say. So yeah, as you can see, she sends it to you with an elastic band in it already, and the knots came that color, and I did not bleach the knots, as well as I did not put any foundation on the knots either. And as you can see throughout the video, I didn't need to do anything because it was perfect, like literally perfect. And I'm showing you guys how I installed it, which was super easy. I applied some Got2B in front of my hairline. As y'all know, big forehead girls, y'all know we lit. We could pull our wigs up as far as we want. And I used some of the freezer holder spray, not a lot though, and I did make sure to blow dry it until it was tacky. Basically the same way you would install any other wig is the same way I installed this one. So yeah, my thoughts about this wig is that at first, I never had box braids or faux locks, so I'm not really familiar with how they feel, and these were a little stiff at first. But what I did do, I did dip them into boiling water, because I saw, like a lot of people said online, that to make it softer, so that the braids move more flowy, is to dip it in boiling water, and that's what I did. And warning, if you get this length, the hair is heavy. Of course it's going to be heavy. You have more length, you have more hair, and it's just heavy, y'all. So just be careful about that. So you could probably opt for the shorter length. So when, basically, I say all of that to say, when you dip it in the hot water, it's going to be really heavy. So be careful with that. There's no way that you can use a tool to dip it because it's going to be heavy. You're going to have to handle it. So really be careful with that. And yeah, so the rest of the video is pretty self-explanatory. I showed you how I installed it. I showed you all of that scalp that I served, and how you can flip it on either side, or in the middle part, and stuff like that. And yeah, you guys, make sure to check out Elise Real Hair. Check them out on Instagram and check out their website. I am very honored to be working with them, especially since they're like in a whole nother country. I'm just like, wow, I'm honored. But thank you so much. And I did feature this on my Instagram, and I definitely cannot wait to wear this out. Probably throw on like a cute outfit, wear it in an up-down do. And yeah, you guys, so yeah, the rest of the video is self-explanatory. Just watch me play and install this Elise Real Hair unit. Thanks for watching, and I will see y'all in my next video.